The Loma X5 pipeline product offering just got bigger. Introducing the new 4-inch X-ray pipeline inspection system.
Hi, I'm Ade Roten, and this is the X5 pipeline.
The 4-inch pipeline X-ray detection system has been introduced to complement the current Loma product range. Following our Customer Back Innovation program, our customers had highlighted the need for a Loma product with 4-inch couplings and higher throughput. Whilst the current 2.5-inch and 3-inch product offered excellent contaminant detection, our customers required higher volume inspections. The unique X5 detector design offers excellent detection levels of all major contaminants including bone, ceramic, glass and dense plastics as well as stainless steel, ferrous and non-ferrous metals. The 4-inch pipeline systems also allows you to connect to 3 of the most popular fillers on the market, Handman 670, VMAG or Risco. Whilst the main sector we're targeting is meat and poultry, with products like large hams, gammon, salami, corned beef or most products made from reformed muscle and protein, this product will work equally well with any free-flowing product, where detecting more than just metals is important. After much design simulation, stress testing and flow mapping, we redesigned the manifold unit with a 4-inch inlet and a 4-inch outlet. The center X-ray section is a modified rectangle. In effect, this changes the shape of the contents rather than compressing them. Therefore, there is minimal reduction in flow, or risk of back pressure. Unlike the competition, the feed to the X-ray section is on a gradual incline and change of shape. Therefore there is little or no stress on the product or equipment. With a smaller footprint than many machines on the market, and a line height of between 900 mm and 1000 mm plus 50, the X5 can integrate seamlessly into most production lines. The 4-inch couplings allow you to effortlessly connect to larger filler systems like Handman, VMAG or Risco. The product flow through the machine is also versatile, going from left to right, or right to left. With the 4-inch pipeline, there are 2 main reject valve options. The ARL reject valve is normally used for whole muscle meat. Another option is a Lee ball valve, where whole muscle and raw meat applications require a sharp cutting action. In these cases this reject option can prove favorable. Both types of valve automatically reject from the pipe, without the need for costly line stoppage, or clean out of contaminated product. With excellent detection performance results, the X5 pipeline provides the capability to inspect for bone, ceramic, glass and dense plastics. In comparison to a pipeline-based metal detector, the X5 improves the detection levels of all metals, including stainless steel, ferrous and non-ferrous. You get peace of mind that no contaminants will pass inspection. The X5 pipeline includes an icon-driven, full-color touchscreen control interface, with easy-to-use product learn and features and layout. A capacitive 8-inch touchscreen ensures the highest levels of regulatory compliance through real-time data collection. It's also easy to recover the data if required. The Easy Remove cassette and IP69 come as standard, making it ideal for harsh washdown environments. The hygienic design gives easy access to all machine areas, reducing the risk of cross-contamination through poor cleaning regimes, making cleaning and maintenance a walk in the park. The first product has been fitted, on a trial basis, into a production line in one of the UK's largest meat processing plants. This product line produces corned beef, salami and reformed hams. Currently, a visual inspection is the only method of detecting bone or large dense or hard contaminants. The customer wanted to improve their ability to detect these objects. The first of a range of product made on this line is corned beef. This product is taken from cooked beef, then ground to make mince. Once visually checked for bone or large hard contaminants, the product is sent to the filling station. There, it is ready to be pumped through to packing and clipping. When the meat goes through the pipeline, it is still hot and free-flowing, to avoid it solidifying. The product is then bagged, clipped and recooked to form corned beef. During the inspection phase, the X5 pipeline had been calibrated to identify and reject hard items like bone, cartilage or even metal, but allow large pieces of fat to flow through. The equipment easily identified 1.2 mm stainless steel and 3.5 mm glass and bone. This proved that these contaminants were far smaller than would generally be identified by the visual inspection, and as a consequence would have previously entered the supply chain. The second product is raw chunks of beef, to be made into salami. Once cut into pieces, and visually checked for bone and large cartilage, the meat is loaded into the filler station. It is then pumped through the pipeline, via the X5 inspection system, and onto bagging and clipping. When the meat goes through the pipeline, it is in large, cold, uncooked chunks, which are very dense with a high fat content. Any rejected meat is collected in a container and visually inspected. The contaminant is then removed by hand, and the unaffected meat is returned to be processed. This reduces any waste as the final product is free from glass, bone or metal, and will not be rejected further down the process. As with the corned beef, the equipment easily identified 1.2 mm stainless steel and 3.5 mm glass and bone. This proved that these contaminants were far smaller than would generally be identified by the visual inspection, and as a consequence, would have previously entered the supply chain and been rejected, or returned by the end user. Routine cleaning is important to maintain a hygienic system. Comprehensive instructions can be found in the installation and maintenance guide. There are several things fundamental to the safe and efficient running of this product. The plastic components, wool, due to the stress caused by the constant X-ray beams, will deteriorate and periodically require replacement. These components should be visually checked as part of the cleaning process. If these are not replaced, they may crack or fracture and cause leakage into the cassette. The product must always be run with the door interlocks and collars in place and functioning. These must not be bypassed. The S-bends must always be used on open-ended applications.